Hey yo.
Yeah. Talk your shit, right? Talk your shit.
Hey, we got one.
What they gonna say now?
Hey, let's get to this motherfucking money, you dig?
It's all about the pickups and the drop-offs.
Yeah.
We rock the real shit, you rockin' knockoffs.
Yo, YouTube, let me speak on this. Yeah, it's your boy, man. Respect for GS, back at it with another banger. No sneakers this time, man. I will be picking up some first classes though. They already sold. I already sold them off. You know, just for a little minor profit. Wasn't looking for nothing major anyway. But yeah, I will have a personal pair coming soon. This wasn't my size anyway, so I just wanted to get it off and get a couple bucks. Nothing crazy, but we gonna get to some tech, man. It's the first thing, real tech review. I think I showed y'all some video games before, but first like real big tech unboxing that I've done. So we got a couple of items. First one, y'all see that? Yeah, real deal joints though. Hey, I have seen the Chinese version of these. Fire though, but just not my cup of tea. But he's the real deal, Evander Holyfield. These are the ones with the wireless charging case. So yeah, man, got these. So you should probably already know what else come with it. What else I got? Boxing knife. We really don't need this, but you know, I just gotta do it. Just gotta do it. Cut away from you, not to you. I'm just trying to teach. Just trying to teach, man. Just trying to teach. Super sharp knife put up. Let's go ahead and open this. Cause I think they are special. These are special. These are special. Let me get the first look. Okay, well, we got some information on this one. Let's sit those there. We got some information, you know, about the pods. You feel me? Warranties in here too. Oh, the pods, man. Straight to the pods, man. Look at the pods, though. It's the wireless sorting case. You see that? Respect for GS, man. Right there. Yeah. Engraved. Let's hear that. Let's hear that sound. Y'all heard that? That satisfying sound of unwrapping Apple products. Let's look at them. Fire. These is fire. These are fire. Yeah. And I've seen the other AirPods without the wireless charging case. They look exactly the same. No different. These is fire though. See, let's see how they fit in your boy ear. You. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Yeah, so you know, just some AirPods with the wireless charging case. This is respect for GS on it. I will be getting the case for this with a little keychain because I do not want to lose this. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get that. What else come in the box? I think just the charger. Yep, just the charger. Standard lightning charger. Nothing special. Well, they are special, but you know, nothing extra, I should say. Let's get to the next big unboxing. The big boy. 11 thing. Yeah. 256 gigs. Goodness. No, this is not mine. It's purple. No, it's not mine. It belongs to my children's mother. She's so special. She allowed me to unbox this for her. I'm very happy. Very happy. She let me put this on the channel. I can't do nothing but respect that. This is awesome. See this little pull tab. You know what that means, right? Satisfied. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that felt good. Box just slides. Oh. Ooh. I can't lie to y'all. This joint is fire. Oh my god. Oh, this is so fire. Satisfying sound. Oh, that's some heavy plastic too. I hear that? Apple got the good plastic. Oh, this mug feels so good in hand. Like yes. What's this button? Oh, okay, that's the power button. Made the power button big. Let's see if we got some juice in it. Yep. Got some juice. It's a fingerprint magnet though. Yeah. Hey. Fingerprint magnet. But this mug is gorgeous. I like how they moved the Apple logo to the center now. Now, only if they, you know, since it's in the center now. Touch ID, touch ID, touch ID. Come on back. We got, look, we gotta have fingerprint right here. Boom, boom, boom. Like we gotta have it back. That's all screen joint. This mug is beautiful. This mug is beautiful. Ain't letting you nothing heavy yet. I'm gonna cut that off so she can set up her phone. Let's see what else comes in the box. Put this down. You know, tip, tray joints, iPhones that no one's gonna use, another charger, and the power brick. So we get standard stuff. Nothing special, nothing new, just all the regular stuff. But this is very, very fire. Very, very fire. Dude, I'm shocked that that purple was gonna be so fire. Oh man, that was fire. I am getting a new iPhone, so I'm so excited. I'll be shooting. Hopefully, quality is gonna get better, man. Cause I'm be shooting in 4K. You feel me? Full 4K on that thing. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. So we got some more unboxings, man. Electronic stuff. You feel me? I'm gonna do some little different videos on her, man. Probably gonna show a little different side of me that y'all ain't seen yet. So you know, yeah. But you know, we still on that sneaker tip. We still doing the sneaker thing. You know, I ain't got no wig cap on. You know, waves busting because I am due for a cut. But you know, let's talk about it, bro. Make sure y'all head over. See my peoples. It's so premise, man. Go on, get you a bag, man. They got crossbody bags, toiletry bags, book bags, hiking bags, duffel bags. You can put anywhere from 2 to 5 pair in these bags. In this particular bag, you get 2. But the bigger you get, the more shoes you can carry. And they TSA approved. And if you go over and you like anything, because they do have t-shirts, they do have hats, they got merch. But if you like anything over there, use that promo code, man. Respect for GS, man. What you gonna get? 25% off and free shipping. But don't tell them I told you that. So we can keep this rolling. Just put the code in. Yeah, man. Yeah, matter of fact, you know, if you like Soul Premise bags, man, comment below, man. Let me know that you like what they got over there and you supporting the movement for the culture, you feel me? Yeah, if you're not subscribed to me, man, go ahead and subscribe. Man, come on, join part of the respected nation, man. The respected gang, man. Go ahead, hit that bell. Be part of the respected notification squad, man. You feel me? We trying to get this thing, like, working, bro. For real. Like, we trying to get to 100 subs, man, so I can do this giveaway. So I can do this collection video. Story time video coming soon. Probably gonna shoot, that's probably gonna be the first thing I shoot on my new iPhone, you know. So yeah, because I am shooting with the iPhone. I don't know if I ever told y'all that, but I am shooting with the iPhone. So hey, this will be the first video I shoot. It's a story time video. We working, man. We working. Trying to get there, bro. Trying to get there. Just support your boy, man. Support your boy, man. Make sure you head over on PlayStation 4, on Xbox One. Add your boy. Oh, so thuggin', man. It's gonna be like right here. Right there. Go ahead. Just go type that in, man. I'm your PlayStation, man. Oh yeah. Your Xbox, man. Add your boy. We can play some Spidey. We can play some girls. We can play, what is it? We can play some GTA. We can play some 2K. Yeah, we got options. We got options, man. So, you know, yeah, add your boy, man. Yeah, I think that's it, man. Next shoe, what's the next shoe? 9s, I think. Yeah, Jordan 9s. They next. Definitely need them. But yeah, man, it's your boy, man. Respect for GS. Respect for G's. Rob McCourty. Rob. STL Heat. I'm known by a bunch of names. I am known for having fly kicks, though. But I also known for having that dope electronics, you hear me? Dope tech, you feel me? You feel me? Let me get both of them up here. Dope tech. Yeah, man. So y'all know what I say, man. The goal is to be clean, not mean. Stay fresh, not stressed, and be blessed, man. Until next time, we out.
Talk your shit. Yeah.
It's my money. Union ties, nigga.
Hustle, hustle, hustle.
Did scale. Trollo.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot.